guys, today we are going to make moringa chutney with pudina and coriander, with mint leaves and coriander leaves. As you know, moringa is very healthy, but for some people it's very hard to take and they don't know, they remain confused how to take moringa. Some people don't like the taste at all, so this is the tastiest, actually chutney, moringa chutney is the tastiest recipe you can ever find. Ideally you need moringa leaves for that. If you don't have moringa leaves at your home, no problem, you can take moringa powder easily. And the recipe is super easy, super tasty. For those who are diabetic patients, you can take care of your mom and dad. You can give them oil free and less spicy salan with less spicy food with this healthy chutney, and they will really like it. I will tell you the ingredients, how I'm going to make it, but you can slightly change recipes according to your health conditions, according to your taste. So let's find out what ingredients do you need for this healthy yet tasty recipe. You need some fresh leaves of mint and coriander, and you can, if you want, you can pluck all the leaves from the branches, or ideally you should let the branches, some branches, not all, let some fine branches be with the leaves. And then moringa powder or moringa leaves, tamarind sauce, black salt, 1 lemon, optional, and you need 1 green chili. So you can see I have just few leaves. I'm making a small amount of moringa sauce with mint and coriander leaves. So let's continue with our recipe. Now, as you can see, moringa chutney, moringa sauce is ready to serve.